Raw materials are the base of cement manufacturing. Competitiveness relies upon obtaining quality raw materials at a low cost per ton. What happens when there are concerns with quality or questions about how much life is left in the quarry? Quality issues early in the production process leads to the need to acquire and blend costly additives or result in a pile of off-spec clinker. What if you could use analyzer data to know your raw material quality from quarry to stockpile with a suite of investigative and analytical tools to maximize your raw material quality? PSCL developed the Stockpile Management Suite, also known as SMS, to provide essential analysis and reporting tools from quarry to pile. SMS achieves this with its three main modules. The first is material segregation, which uses analyzers to provide sorting based on configurable quality rules. Second is pile historian, which records current pile chemistry and provides alarms when chemistry is off-spec. Third is pile modeler, which provides an investigative tool to allow you to virtually move through a pile to investigate chemistry. SMS maximizes an analyzer investment by increasing the value of bulk data with a new level of insight and reporting, so you can maintain a high level of quality standards while extending quarry life. Material segregation maximizes the operational value of your quarry with the goal of extending its life. As not all quarries are made equal, this module is your first line of quality control by separating raw materials by specification. Material segregation utilizes an online analyzer and algorithm to direct raw material to the appropriate pile. When the composition on the belt starts to deviate from the target quality, the algorithm will switch over to the appropriate pile. By accurately sorting raw materials, energy can be saved by not crushing material that is not suited to your application. In addition to accurate chemistry-based switching, material segregation also reduces wear on switching components and reduces handling. The more you need to handle material, be it crushing, belt, or vehicle transportation, the higher your cost per ton becomes. Pile Historian manages your analyzer data. It takes your quality control a step further than just real-time monitoring. This module tracks and trends the raw material composition from quarry to stockpile, allowing you to compare current and historical data. Provide your quarry and quality control teams with frequent feedback so decisions can be made before it's a problem. Pile Historian achieves this by creating a database for each pile being stacked, keeping a record of chemistry over time. The built-in reporting provides a powerful tool to track the trends of elemental mass and LSF values within a pile. Values can be shown in the forms of grid, control charts, or scatter to allow you to dive deep into the quality of quarry raw materials. Alarms are configurable to notify staff when a pile's composition starts to go off target, so errors can be corrected early in the manufacturing process. Pile Historian also supports the ability to export the data to Excel, Word, or text formats to meet the needs of your existing quality control process. Pile Modeler builds on Pile Historian's functionality and reporting abilities by providing a tool to investigate stacking and reclaiming approaches. The unique volumetric modeling system allows you to see the chemistry of raw material anywhere in the pile without the need for additional analyzers. Pile Modeler reads the data collected by Pile Historian to identify the quality of the material being stacked. This allows SMS to model out virtual pile for investigating stacking and reclaiming processes. Pile Modeler allows you to investigate your pile's makeup with three main areas of focus. The chemistry view uses colors to display the standard deviation of raw materials. Highlighting anywhere in the pile will allow you to investigate chemistry of the selected material. Analysis age represents how long since a portion of a pile has run through an analyzer. Elevation uses a grayscale height map to represent the physical height of a pile. Pile Modeler provides accurate estimates for any stockpile. It supports circular or longitudinal processes, with support for chevrons or window stacking approaches. The ability to investigate the stacking and reclaiming process early in the manufacturing process proves beneficial for predicting and minimizing chemistry changes before spending any more electrical or thermal energy on the process. SMS seamlessly communicates with other PSCL products like our Raw Mix Control System or RMCS. RMCS reads the pile chemistry from the pile historian, leveraging the known limestone chemistry, resulting in improved calculation accuracy and reduced equipment wear. On-target raw materials will ultimately result in a better quality raw mix to aid in reducing the production of off-spec clinker. It is important to be able to have a high level of quality control and investigation while at quarry stage of production. Ensuring materials are efficiently extracted will extend the life of your quarry and provide more consistent raw materials. SMS was built with these needs in mind and provides a suite of products to allow you to make decisions before spending the energy needed later in the process. Enhance your operation with material segregation, pile historian, and pile modeler, all while extending the life of your quarry with the Stockpile Management Suite by PSCL.